Hi friends, today I'm showing you this bubble zoomer. It's like a bazooka bubble gun, and you can see the parts it comes with it. So this is a rechargeable battery. This comes to be a 24 holes bubble machine. It's like bazooka gun which produce bubbles a lot with light. It's have a blue light sensor, so it's like a fun playing. Comes with two bubble bottles, and you can see the unboxing thing. It's a big size gun. This is the holder for your bubbles. The back portion, this is the main gun. It's really big size and lightweight with the multiple pipes things for the bubbles. There are some stickers comes with it for decoration purpose, and this have a rechargeable battery, charging cable, and the band. So this is all the unboxing thing that comes within the box. It's the handle for the gun. So installation is pretty easy. Just put this slide on it on the bottom for the handle. Then open up this bubble mixture, the covering sheet, and that's included in this. Rotate. You can just put in this bazooka on the top so that it will show up. The battery will go here. You can recharge the battery to the full. This cable that comes with it, you have to put this connector in, and it's connected through the USB. So you can see like this connector goes here and it goes into the USB. So once charged, you can put this battery and the cover in. And it's ready to go. You can put some stickers for decoration if you want to. So they come with the pack. I'm just putting it anywhere so that's to show. This will give some like cool effect to the gun. This gun also have the handle on the top, and I will show you this strap that goes on the gun so that you can hold, or the kids can hold it and hang it on the shoulder. So setup is pretty easy, and the gun size is good to hold by the kid or by any adult. And then that's it, just start it. So it will take a little bit time, and then the bubble will start coming up, and it says these are 24 hole continuous bubble design, and the trigger is like once you press it, it will keep on running, and you have to press it again to stop it. So I'm just putting the other stickers in so that you can see, but the thing is that you keep in mind that it is a continuous stray. So once you press the button, it will continuously go until you press it again to stop. So here, like playing outside with the fun gun, it's really lots of bubbles and lot of fun with this gun.